In this video, we're going to go through duty, how the duty that is calculated by the system is used to show you that information so you can pay your duty payable amounts through the W5 and W5D. To start off with, we're going to look at an item fulfillment. This item fulfillment is marked as duty payable. We can see the LPA and overall duty have been calculated automatically based on the batch that has been shipped. System has also generated a duty journal. This duty journal shows you the duty payable amount based on this transaction and any other transaction in that time period that are still to be paid. This is automatically generated by the system nightly. This information is then used through the reports that are available under Bottle ERP around duty, LPA, finished stock, sales, purchasing, production, etc. to give you that information you need to pay that duty amount. We're going to go have a look at the W5 and W5D record and have a look through the process and how that works. When you load up this screen, you'll see a list of transactions. These are transactions that are duty payable that haven't been paid. Against each transaction, you can hyperlink to the transaction itself, or you can see all the key information against each transaction as well, around the item, the customer, the quantity that was shipped, the individual duty and LPA for each line as well. This then can be used to select each individual line by clicking on the checkbox or using the buttons at the top to select more than one or select all. You can also use the filters at the top around subsidiary location and ship dates to filter this screen down to define the information you're looking for. Once you're happy, you move on to the review screen. This screen is where the system will tell you the total amount that is payable. You confirm the details, you confirm your bank account, your sequence number, if you're letting the system generate one or if you're overriding it, and you also confirm the payment reference that was used and the HMRC reference you've gained back. At the bottom of the page, the system has a submission table. This table is in the exact same format that you would see on the W5 report in HMRC. Completing this page will then take you to the duty payment record. This record is automatically generated and is used as a grouping mechanism for this payment run that you've done. Each record is given a unique number, shows you the total amounts and all the information that you filled out on that record itself. You do also get a banner at the top of the page to say that this is processing. You can wait for this to finish, or an email will be sent to the person that kicked off the process. If we refresh this page, we'll see that the system has started to update the records. We can see the two transactions have automatically been updated and added to this record. And now if we refresh again, we can also see the journal has been created. Opening these transactions up, we can see that the system has gone through and updated them, not just linked them. It's marked the status as duty paid at the header and the line. We can also see that information has been updated on the sales order itself. So not only is this item fulfillment updated and notified with this banner, but the sales order as well is also updated to say that it's been paid. And if it was partially paid, it would also show you if it's been partially paid, with duty partly paid. The journal itself can also show all this information and is linked with the reference number. So we can see the bank account and the duty payable account are selected. The reference number is automatically assigned, and this journal is automatically linked to that duty payment record. That reference is used throughout the system to link back to that duty payment. That concludes our process of duty payment and how the system uses the information that you put in at various processes parts to give you the information you need around duty payments.